Japan releases over 100 plus new, hyper-specific seasonal snacks every single year that disappear forever. This isn't just a flavor change. We're talking about utterly unique, limited-time treats. Imagine pumpkin spice time sushi, or cherry blossom KitKats that only appear for a few weeks, or even sweet potato chips and grape-flavored Pepsi, perfectly timed with the harvest season. The first reason is shun, a deep cultural appreciation for enjoying ingredients at their absolute peak season. Brands capitalize on this, creating a fear of missing out with limited edition gentai products. Japanese consumers also crave constant novelty. New items keep shelves exciting and drive purchases. So you might see a strawberry daifuku for just 2 months. Then it's gone until next spring. Some snacks are even specific to *1 city or a single prefecture, making them ultra rare. Once a season ends, many of these unique creations vanish completely, never to be produced again. This turns snack hunting into a thrilling, temporary treasure quest for locals and tourists alike. It's a marketing genius that keeps Japan's food culture vibrant and constantly evolving. So if you ever visit Japan, embrace the limited-time magic. You might never see it again. From sakura-flavored everything to limited edition regional treats, Japan's snack game is truly next level. Subscribe for more strange and fascinating deep dives into Japanese culture and internet oddities.